Hi, it's Chris Jacobs, your local real estate agent, and I'm here today to show you a trick on getting grout clean. I found a product that works really well, so let's give it a try. Here you can see some dirty areas of grout. Used to be more like this one. We're going to give it a clean, and let's see how it turns out. We're using the product by Zep. It's Grout Cleaner and Brightener. It's acidic, so when you use this, you're going to want to use rubber gloves and some eye protection. We're going to apply it to the grout area and then leave it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, brush it, and then we'll come back, rinse it, and let's see what it looks like. So here, we'll apply the product directly on the area that we're treating. I'm going to spread it around a little bit in that area. Now let it do its magic for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to give it a little brush. I'm using a fairly stiff brush. You can kind of see the dirt coming out there. We'll go this way. Now let's give it a rinse. So let's wipe it off and let's see how it turned out. So here you can see the difference now, the dirty versus the clean. It's turned out very well. So you'll have to give it a try and see how it works for you. It's not very difficult, not a ton of scrubbing. Just got to give it a little time to work. So there you have it. That product is available at Home Depot. So give it a try. I'm sure you'll be successful with it, and I will see you next time.